Good morning, guys. Slept in here for another night. I've been enjoying staying here, but I really gotta leave today. It's so nice to wake up like this. And then when I wake up, I immediately go down here and take a pee. It's been nice staying here. I'm so thankful. I've had such a great weekend here. We're getting ready to leave now. Got hopefully all my stuff packed down. See you, Big Bun. It was nice meeting you. Alright guys, I'm in Frederikssund. Alan took me here, so I don't have to go the first 30 kilometers. We took that in the car, so now I just gotta travel a new route I haven't traveled before, at least not by the wheel. I've done so by car, but let's go. Looks like it's not gonna be raining, at least. It's been so nice hanging out with Alan and his sons. It's been like a little vacation, honestly. It's been really refreshing. That's why I haven't really shown you guys a lot. We've just mostly been talking and eating and just being social. But yeah, let me focus on driving now. Me and Jess went shopping. I got these nutty sheets for cheap. He bought a bunch of stuff for a communal dinner he's inviting everyone to attend. I think I'm gonna be responsible for cooking the meat, it seems. I'm just clearing up the fridge and putting stuff in there, putting stuff away here. Jeg plejer ikke at spise så rødt kød, men jeg har bare lyst til det i dag.
Det er godt. Det er mere levende.
Dygtig, Jess. Dygtig. Du fik den sgu. Godt gået, Jess.
Ja, det skulle blive godt.
Ja, det er virkelig lækkert at se på. Og duft til.
22. Får lige lidt olie på det.
Ja. Candy for the kids. Good morning, guys. I'm eating some of this, hanging out with Stony in voice chat, watching some China show. It's a slow day. Just been chilling out all day. Now I'm just cooking some sausages, hanging out with Stony. He went to bed though, he came back. I've just been in here hanging out all day.